Alright there, my friend. Welcome to another video of your HTML series. So in this video, we are not going to learn anything new, but what we are going to do is try to give a brief of what we have studied in the previous videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here. I'm going to create a new file. Okay. Menu.html. So inside this file, I'm going to write my HTML tags. First is the HTML, then the head tag, inside this head I'm going to put a title, so the title is going to be Sam's Cafe Menu. Alright, so I'll go on and write my body tag, close it. Now I'll start with a heading, so I'll write a H3. Inside the H3 I'm going to say welcome to Sam's Cafe. Save. So when you try to run this file in our browser, so you can see welcome to Sam's Cafe. I'll try to make this one bigger. I change it to H1. So I'm going to put a paragraph tag and I say this is our menu. Close it. So I'm going to talk about another element we have not talked about yet, and that's the div tag. It's a short form for division. It is used to nest you can use a div tag and you nest other elements in it. So I'm going to write a div. Remember I told you div stands for division. Inside this div, I'm going to make a comment and I say navigation. So our navigation is going to be like so I'll put here breakfast. Then I'm going to put my href. Since now we don't have any page for the breakfast, I'm going to give it an ID. Okay, so I'm going to copy this thing 3 times. So here I'm going to write lunch. Then lastly I'm going to put dinner. Okay, so I'm going to change these IDs. I'll make this one lunch, then I'll make the last one as dinner. Save this. So you can see breakfast, lunch and dinner, but these things are mixed up, so I'm going to try and separate them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put save again. I think this is better. So we have the breakfast, we have lunch, we have dinner. So I'm going to make another div, and this div is going to have a ID of breakfast. So I'm going to put H4. This is our breakfast menu. I close it. So below here, I'm going to create a list, an ordered list. So what do we serve for breakfast? I'm going to put this thing in lists. Okay. So I'll write my list here. So one of them is saying, we can say coffee. Everyone takes coffee for breakfast. I'm going to copy this thing 3 times. So we have tea. Then for those guys with hangover, you can take some water also. So save this. This is our breakfast menu. We have coffee, we have tea, and we have water. So this is a ordered list, right? So I'm going to write our lunch menu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to put a comment here, lunch menu. So this will be lunch. So what do we serve for lunch? So I'll say this is our lunch menu. So what do we serve for lunch exactly? We have rice. We can have some chips and chicken. Then we have some potatoes, right? So so for this I'm going to make it an ordered list. So you can see this and now this. So lastly, we are going to handle what we serve for our dinner. So this will be dinner menu. So I'll put the ID of dinner. So for dinner we have some cereals. Then again we can take some bread, some water. Save that. Refresh the page. So welcome to Sam's Cafe. This is our menu. We have breakfast, lunch, dinner. So this is our breakfast menu. This is our lunch menu. And this is our dinner menu. I'll change that. I'll make this dinner. Okay, I'm sorry. Dinner. Now, lastly, I'll put a paragraph tag. Say for more information. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this website in a anchor tag, okay? So I can see A, okay? Then I close it. So I'll get this word, I cut it from here, then I'll paste it here. So here I'm going to give a href. Now we don't have any website. What we are going to do is we are going to redirect this to the Google page. Then save that and run it in the browser. So when you refresh this page, you can see for more info visit our website. So when you click this, now it is redirecting you to the Google page. Alright. So now I think in this review we have talked about the H tag, the paragraph tag, the anchor tags. Then we are talking about the paragraph, the different type of list, then the unordered list and the ordered list. Then lastly we have seen also the anchor tag. So see you guys in the next video.